Just got in our Shou Sugi Ban siding from Pioneer Millworks today. We're able to unload it. And now I need to get stacked to acclimatize for a little while. Outside here where I've a couple days ago got all of the siding stacked. So yeah, still need to clean up a bit. But yeah, it's starting to do the required acclimatization. Get in here where you can see. Definitely some of the boards have gotten a little weird. So hopefully we're able to use part of that, because I think at $13 a square foot, any of these wasted boards or boards with big crack are actually a fair bit of money. For the most part, it looks like the boards are staying pretty good. Yeah, a couple getting a little weird, but we'll still be able to get them down and nail them in place and use them, or use them in shorter lengths, or figure out how to make it happen. Also got some windows from a previous project. They were slightly wrong size, so yeah, hopefully we'll get these up in the next 2 weeks or so. Here I am on Sunday morning, actually doing some stuff to get ready for the slab pour tomorrow. But I realized I didn't film a bunch about the siding on the shed here, which is the same siding we're going to do on the building. So figure I'd give a quick walkover of the siding here. So you can see I really like siding butting up directly to the windows. So we don't got any trim on the building. Got a little footage before this of us putting up on the back. Obviously took a little longer on the front. Got some big windows. Got used from a local Habitat for Humanity restore. So the whole siding went up pretty well. They give you a mixed lengths of boards, I think ranging from 8 to 14 feet. So we were able to do occasionally a full board, I think kind of the center of the screen there. But otherwise we had little scarf joints that we had to get use their stain, make them a little waterproof, then angle them nice and down so the water runs out. Still have a little painting on the trim, have to do the bottom of all the boards. And we still got the electrical finish on the inside. And then I also need to come up with some stairs here. I'm sort of thinking of putting some big boulders kind of nicely setting up, but we'll deal with that in a little bit. And also waiting on a handle because it needs some special Pella door handle. That should get in here shortly.